Okay, so in this lesson we carry on from the last one, and we've got the stereo cam already here, and in this one we're going to go through the stereo display controls, in particular how to view or visually view what's actually getting rendered, what's going to be in the stereo shot. So to start off with, we're going to concentrate on this display frustum. So currently it's set to none, so if we set that to center, as you can see, this frustum comes out from the center cam. So this is what you would see through the center camera. So this is what it's going to be in shot from the center camera. Now, this is alright for previewing what's going to be in the shot, but it's not going to be entirely what's in the shot, because the frustum from the center camera is going to be different from the left and the right camera. And then on top of that, the frustum from the left camera isn't going to contain some of the information that's in the right camera. So what we'll need is some sort of additive effect of them. So as you can see, in the display frustum, we can go from left to show the left, right to show the right, or we can go left and right, which adds them both together. But as you can see, what we'll want is this part in the middle, starting from this peak here and spreading out, which is where the two images meet. And we want all the main animation inside that part there. So to get that up, what we can go is safe viewing volume. Now as soon as you click that on, what you can see is this blue volume, and what this means is this is adding the left and the right camera. As you can see, it starts from this peak and spreads out, and this is everything that should be rendered. This is what the viewer will be trying to concentrate on, which is the added effect of the left and the right camera. So using this visually, we can move around the camera and actually see what's inside the shot. And you can change the colour using this, or plug in a texture, or even the safe volume transparency. If we turn that down, or if we turn it up, here we can actually see physically, so like that half the characters coming out of the volume. So then we could readjust that and change it to get back inside the volume. So it's just a good method to keep that on, maybe keep it low transparency so you can see a few things in the shot. And you can just turn this on and off after you've done some camera animation or some animation, just to see whether the characters are in shot or close to the edge, because you don't want them clipping the edge or coming off. Now the next one we're going to go through is the zero parallax plane. So if we click this on, straight away you'll see this zero parallax plane, and what this is this is a zero parallax that we got into earlier. So if we adjust the zero parallax, as you can see, that's coming in and zooming out from the camera. Now what this means is, as we said earlier, this zero parallax, this is the screen, this is zero depth. If you're viewing this on a screen at the cinema, this is zero depth, and anything in front, so if it's got it about in the middle, this corner of this edge of the chair is going to be on the screen. This character is going to be popping out of the screen, so this is going to be in front of the screen, and everything behind, like this table, is going to be behind the screen. So this is a great way of visually seeing what's going on. But if we go to stereo cam, and look through the stereo, so if you haven't got stereo, you can go to stereo Anaglyph. Now we're looking through the Anaglyph, but with this zero parallax plane, because it's a red tint, this is going to kind of break the effect. So if you're viewing with your glasses on now, you might need to take that off, because that will add to the red channel and obviously blow it out. So you've got to keep that in mind. And another way is, if you're in perspective view, you can have the zero parallax on, just turn off the transparency. So we've got this blue outline for the actual zero parallax plane. So they're just a few tips on what to see what's actually in shot, and it's just a good method to just turn these on and off and just check what's actually being shot before you actually go to rendering. So in the next tutorial we're going to go through how to render the different images, and this is important inside of Maya if you're going to be compositing in a different program, because we'll be wanting the left and right images, and we're going to go through how to set up folders and things like that. So thanks for watching.